Come play this game. Come play this game. You have to make it to level 1. I can get past this one. Level 2.
What the hell is it?
I don't know. You have to make it. No, you have to use the mouse, but you can't touch any of the black walls. I can't make it through level 3.
Stop.
I don't know.
I don't understand. I'm supposed to do this?
Okay, wait. Go back that way. Yeah. Just don't hit any of the black walls or you'll lose and have to start all over.
How long do you have?
You have a limited time.
Oh, I'm gonna take my time.
Okay.
What are you laughing at?
Cause I couldn't pass. When I got done there, I kept hitting the wall because I started. I really couldn't. And the third, once I got past this one, the third one, it gets like this big. And I couldn't pass it. I felt retarded.
It gets bigger?
No, they get smaller.
Oh.
Oh my gosh.
Ah, don't move the bed.
Okay. The wall is blown up. You done a lot better than I did. I tried to go through all these black holes to get through.
You should.
Yeah, it didn't work. You kept making me start over.
Duh. Big space. God, could I get any smaller?
Yeah, it does.
Oh gosh. This is hard.
You can do it. Wait till you get to level 3. I'd like to see you pass that one. And you'll start at the bottom on the next one. Okay.
Oh, jeez.
You gotta go to
Holy crap!
I couldn't get past it.
Neither will I.
Concentrate, girl. Take your time. I knew it. Hold it. Okay. You can't do it. You're gonna lose.
Stop moving back.
Take your time.
Freaking time. It's like as big as the freaking thing.
I got you a camera.